You recording now, fellas?
Yup.
Alright.
Okay, bro. Do an intro. What's up, Low Gang? Today we're in,
Someone's been around in here.
Damn, I don't blame him.
What's your last two times? Just use like natural light for now, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know what I'm saying. Do you think there's gonna be a tweaker?
Huh?
Do you think there's gonna be a tweaker?
That's what I'm saying. If I chuck the knife in my top off, hold on. Let's like this car here, because I want to see how far we can walk up back here. Pull up the tax bar.
I probably have my front LED on too.
Okay. Want to get a picture of the house from the outside?
I like a picture of it? Yeah, sure.
You know what this house reminds me of?
What?
What's that little kids movie? It's like Monster House.
Yes, bro.
Or you just want to get pictures of the outside or the inside first and then get on out on the way out with the camera.
Oh, shit.
Oh, go over the lots.
Hold on, I was trying to put my phone in my pocket.
We're in the kitchen. Okay.
Yeah, maybe don't do that. There's like 3 different entrances.
Just walk from the top.
Yeah, let's not do that.
I was trying to do that today. Never know if we tried. That was a hard fall.
Yeah, it would've.
That's why I was saying don't try to kick it open.
Oh, shit.
It's me, nigga.
There's I think a basement entrance on this side.
Oh, here's the door.
Yeah. I think the door's over here.
Tyler, you fucking retard, dropped your thing, nigga.
Did I? I could still feel it.
You dropped it, I know, I watched it fall.
That's not a cup. Hold on, I'm trying to find my flashlight.
Oh my fuck.
What?
Those are those old ass glass cups.
Oh shit.
That's what I'm saying.
It is.
Oh, we got a newspaper.
Dude.
Pick up and see what time it says on that bitch. Cause how did that survive?
Perry County.
Yeah, look right here. It's like a toy submarine. Looks like. And they got glass food. That's corn.
Only year I could find on was 1911. But it was on a
Oh
document.
shit, they was bougie. Nigga, look, they had a tap dispenser on this bitch.
Oh shit.
I bet they worked down here a lot.
Probably.
Here.
Oh, getting up there's gonna be fun. Bro, my light keeps turning off.
This is so random. There's nothing here, but then there's just a round door.
Sword room. Did you also hear that? That beat?
You heard a beat?
Yeah.
That wasn't the camera, was it?
No. The beep on the camera's loud.
Yeah, it kind of sounded like a, oh shit, that one. You can tell it, hold on. Okay, you like, up to the, well, see, on the map.
Getting up there is gonna be real fun.
Alright, Taylor.
Huh?
This is what we're gonna have to do. Oh, that's tough.
It is.
Okay, this is what we're gonna do. Gage, you get off the camera. Just in case.
You heard it again, right? Sounds like a Rainbow Six Siege bomb going off. Oh gosh.
This just goes even up. There's even another upstairs. There's a fire one.
Huh. Dude.
See, that's how you know I got old pictures of it. I just heard something behind us. See, that's why I keep hearing
I'm gonna make sure this is just in case. Yeah. I heard it. Sounds like it's coming from upstairs. My flashlight died.
my flashlight. That's it.
It's the kitchen. Yo, I unlocked the front door just in case.
Oh.
I know him. I know him.
Yeah.
He went to school with my sister. My flashlight. Oh no, it's on.
Be careful, boys. This shit. How do I? Cars looking, bro. Oh, Roger, Philly. I picked this up. I picked this up.
What is that? Oh shit.
Big shot. Yeah, first you did a whole bottle of Coke.
Whole bottle? Free? That's where we came in from.
Before it started.
Surprising.
Walk about 3 feet from me because I don't trust you walking around beside me.
Okay, we really gotta bring that up again?
Yeah, how fucking.
Oh, okay. Yo, somebody didn't like that cabinet.
See right here was where you tried to come in at. Oh, look what was holding it.
Oh shit, no wonder it didn't open.
Yeah, no fucking way. You still want to hit this gauge? You go with it yet? You don't. Don't let that way.
I wonder why they should have a fire one. Damn.
That's like it's just a battery cell from one day.
True.
Hey, if you look around into the kitchen, you probably find a knife somewhere.
True. Kitchen knife.
God, you know,
I'm definitely finding one. I forgot my home card.
there's a golf ball.
Gage, go play
You know
pool.
how you are about golf balls, Gage. Don't worry. Check this out. I don't need a knife. These things will hit your face. Come on. Look at the little center.
Oh, that's like 4 needles in there.
Look for real.
Yeah, look.
It's probably that one. She probably done like, she probably had dialysis or something.
True.
Or not dialysis, diabetes. You gotta take a insulin.
Yeah.
Right. Nothing.
Nothing.
There's butter knives.
I ain't doing shit with the butter knife.
Fucking pot. Oh, there's cat food.
Huh. I don't have a cat.
You got that, Taylor.
Yep, thank you. That's the way we went first time. Upstairs. That's where I keep hearing the feet.
I'm just checking for boobies. Make sure there's nothing there falls.
Cottage cheese. Oh, the fire alarm's upstairs.
Yeah. Yo.
What? What?
That car at 20. No, it's not.
Okay. Because I was about to say.
Extra stop. Okay.
We good?
That light keeps like being weird. Pretty sure it's just somebody passing by.
Oh yeah, they're just passing. Oh, stop.
That car never passed by there.
There we go. He's probably just going hella slow. These stairs are weird.
Oh, she was probably old as fuck. Look, that's a painted portrait.
Yeah. Damn.
That's razor.
Huh? Ton of books. Hey. That shit's scary. What are you doing? That is scary. That's enough to dry up my cooter. Holy, shut the hell up. Oh. No ladder though. There's a crawl space right there. I ain't going fully in there. Yeah, never. That rocking chair scared the piss out of me. Facing towards the corner like that. Dude, look at that. Star Wars Death Star Space Station. Oh my god, look at the wooden mannequin.
I know, bro.
Oh yeah. So you know what that means? We're not touching a single thing.
Crawl space, and there's like wood there.
Have you found everything you're looking for? We're not looking for anything, we're just exploring. Yeah. We're not like you that try to take everything. I hope you know, whenever I edit this, I'm blurring out Jaden's face, but not Gage's. Oh no, I'm not bleeding anything.
You're not gonna blur out my face either?
Nope.
Makes sense. Still. This is oh, there's a file. If there's some film or something like that. Yeah.
Fire alarm. I don't know, that's stupid loud.
Well, it didn't look like the house got too bad.
Nah, it's good. The floors would be soggy if it did. You want to walk out the front or this door over here?
No, there's nothing on the stairs. Let's walk out the same door. There is a bunch of them. Yo, that's old as fuck. You see that thing also get there? What we need to make sure everybody's beautiful. I'm not.